everybody, it's Asagi, and today I'm here with
Eric, Surf 6.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Don't you think it's a little bit cold?
It's very cold.
It's cold.
But my hands are really warm.
Why?
Got these.
Oh, nice. So they have oshiko. What is that called in English? You can speak. it's not only.
Hey, she said we can speak.
Oh, that's good to know.
I think this is a good one, Asagi, because this company that makes it's been in business 60 years. 60 years.
It's gonna eat my money and then push it. Yay.
Hot soup from a vending machine. Wow, isn't Japan amazing?
So good.
How much? 130 yen.
130.
That's like $1.20 or something.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. This one
Is that a soup? It's maple milk seki. What does that mean?
It's like milkshake,
Oh, milkshake.
but it's hot.
Milkshake, a hot milkshake. Aren't you guys interested in that?
Right?
This one looks pretty good too. The onion gratin soup.
Right? Onion gratin.
Mmm.
Okay, let's get those two.
Okay. And it's really cold out today too. This is a good day for hot soup from a vending machine. Good choice, Asagi. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. A hot milkshake, a maple milkshake. Huh? We go to some cool place and drink them.
Today we're gonna review these vending machine hot drinks.
Hot drinks from a vending machine.
Yes.
Woo, woo-hoo, on a cold, cold day. What do you got?
I have oshiruko, sweet red bean soup.
Mmm.
So, yeah. Can we try this first?
Sure. You better shake it up really good.
Yeah. Because, yeah, it had some ingredients inside.
I've never seen anybody shake soup up like that.
Yeah,
Is it a shake or a
I
swirl?
think it's effective.
that's a swirl.
It might make it taste better. She knows. Don't want to smash up those red beans. Nice looking glass. We
Right?
should be drinking wine. No, it's
Oh, did you see?
Yeah.
chunky.
Yeah. Okay, you get this one.
Oh, I get to drink out of the can.
Come on.
Cheers. I think she did good swirling it. The beans they're very broken up already. It's very sweet. Pretty tasty. I give it a thumbs up for sure.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that too Japanesey?
To give it a thumbs up? Okay, let's give it a thumbs down. The picture doesn't quite do it justice. You don't have these full large sized beans. Was there any beans in the bottom of yours?
I already ate it.
Oh, you drank it? Can I pour this in here? This is the bottom of the can, so this is where they would be.
Oh.
There are beans in here, they're just at the bottom.
Yep.
Almost looks like tapioca. See them?
Almost. Now you catch it. Hey. Cool.
It looks horrible, but they're really delicious.
Yeah.
Because they're really sweet.
I can't
hot.
believe it's vending machine. And next one is onion gratin soup.
Onion gratin soup. So gratin is like a potato, right? Potato base.
Yeah, kind of.
Gratin. Seems very watery though.
Yeah.
Yeah, gratin is generally, I think of it as more like a thick, almost not like a soup, but it says soup right there. Soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
So you should shake it already.
I shook it.
Okay, let's do this. It's really watery. Doesn't seem like it has ingredients.
Yeah, where's the gratin?
Yeah. It's really watery. See?
Smells really good. Definitely
Yeah.
smells. It's like a strong flavor.
Cheese.
Cheese? You smell cheese? It's really salty.
But I can taste onions and cheese.
I can taste the onions and cheese too, but it's making my eyes water.
Especially coming from sweet to super salty.
Right.
I like
Should have had this one first, man. You like it?
I like it.
You like it? I'm thinking maybe the potatoes or the onions are going to be down at the bottom. Right?
Yeah.
You didn't get any in yours, right?
A little bit.
I'm going to mix these two. Just because I can.
Brave man here.
Right? I know. Go bold or go home. But no, it's just water all the way through. Is there a drain somewhere?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, I think I'm gonna pass.
So we are here at Tsunami Burger Place in Yokosuka to film the video on his channel. So you should check out his channel after this video.
I just ordered the Trump burger.
Yeah, Trump burger.
Trump burger.
Yeah, and they say it takes 40 minutes to come, right? So we're gonna do the final taste test.
This is the final taste test. It's a beer. Oh,
That's
sorry.
beer. That's not vending machine.
That's right. This will be on my channel.
So this one, Noco Rich Maple Milkshake.
One second.
Oh, I think you saved the best for last, Asagi.
Yeah,
That's like a dessert.
yeah, I have no idea what it tastes like.
So this one's not a soup. It's more, looks more dessert-like.
So dessert drink.
We'll see.
Yeah. Milkshake is like Japanese milkshake, but this time it's hot.
Watery milkshake.
Yeah, it's like watery. Okay. It looks like milk tea.
Okay. Cheers. The dessert.
Oh, so maple.
It does. It smells like maple, doesn't it? Smells like pancakes.
Yeah, pancake drink. Do you know what I mean? Pancake drink. It's hot.
Oh my gosh, it's sweet. You could pour this on pancakes. It's that thick.
I
Yeah.
can smell it.
It's very much like syrup.
You wanna
No,
try?
I'm good. I can smell it from here. Oh, fine.
Mostly,
Yeah, it's sweet. Here, you can have it. Hey, I'll take that.
I think you really could. Honestly, you could pour this on pancakes. It wouldn't be that bad.
I don't doubt that.
It's a maple milkshake.
Maple milkshake.
Pretty tasty. Or you could maybe add some rum to it.
Ooh.
Would make it nice.
Oh,
Do a rum drink. It would cover up the rum really well, I think.
that actually sounds really good.
I think it's similar to eggnog. No?
Oh, eggnog, yeah, it's similar to eggnog. I agree. It's thick. Yummy. I like it. And again, this is like $1.
Yeah.
So,
So, what was your favorite of all three?
my favorite? This one for sure.
Oh,
Definitely this one. Yeah.
milkshake. My favorite was gratin onion gratin soup. That was good. I like savory things. So if you come to Japan and found hot vending machine soup, please try. Go ahead.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, you can find one. So that was the review of vending machine hot drinks. So yeah, thank you for joining my channel, Eric Surf 6. You should check out his videos
Be
too.
sure to check out our collab video of the, what is this place called? Tsunami Burger.
Yeah, Tsunami Burger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on the channel.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it. I'm definitely all warmed up now.
Ready for the hamburgers. So please hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. if you
Subscribe.
haven't.
She needs more
Yeah.
subscribers, you guys.
You know, it's underrated. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.